Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find all mentions on Discord. So, as you guys can see, here there are some mentions, but this is only because I left the group. So now let's go over and create some mentions. I'm also gonna tag myself. Here, as you guys can see, what are we gonna do is we're gonna search for mentions. Now we can select a specific user, so I'll select this. As you guys can see, there's nothing, but once I search the mentions for another user, there are the three old ones. If we want to see the new one, we have to restart the Discord, but there it is. We can also do the same on a server, so there's exactly no mentions, but here you can also select the mentions and select somebody in the top right corner. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.